how to filter text messages by images, videos, places, and links on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, open up the text messages app. Then here we open up the text conversation. Then tap on the more button at the top and then tap on details, or you can tap on search. In search at the top here, you can filter by images, so filter your text messages by images or videos, or you can filter them by places, links, or documents. Okay, because I do not have any documents in here, so I won't be able to filter out by document. Okay, so just simply tap on the appropriate file type, and then you'll be able to quickly locate or find your links or videos or images in your text messages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.